Alright, YouTube, 2018 Hellcat swapped into a 2011 RT, first startup. Still got to put the interior in. This is a complete swap. Dashboard, all the pedals, all the gauges, all the interior, everything. A few little things we got to switch. Third brake light is different. Third brake light on the 2011 model is on the trunk. Third brake light on the 2018 model is in the headliner, in the back window. So we're going to extend those wires out off the harness, extend them all the way to the trunk to make the third brake light on the trunk work. The actual pigtails for the rear brake lights and the headlights are different between the 2011 and the 2018 model, so we are going to repin those pigtails with the 2018 harness and repin them into the 2011 pigtail to make the headlights and the tail lights work. Other than that, I mean, it's a complete swap. Rear end, subframe, everything is in the car.